gentlemen, welcome to the Willmore Language Academy's Awards Assembly. Here's your host, Mr. Wheeler.
Hello, and thank you for joining me for our February Awards Assembly. I am Mr. Wheeler, and today we get to honor students in our school who have shown exceptional effort and fortitude in both the categories of academics and our character trait of the month. This month's character trait was citizenship, where we honored students who show good citizenship, respect, effort, and pride, not only in the classroom, but also in their community. So let's get on with the show. Our Academic Achievement Awards. For preschool, Miss Alvarez's morning class, Maya Almazan Nava. For Miss Alvarez's afternoon class, Austin Henderson. For TK. For Mrs. Seaver's class, Riley Monroy. For kindergarten, for Miss Gonzalez's class, Alexa Pena. For Miss Weber's class, Calliope Haga. For Miss Hernandez's class, Sophia Wynn. For Mrs. Wynn's class, Jimena Rangel. First grade. In Miss Gonzalez Solis's class, Maximiliano Zepeda. In Miss Kim's class, Rafael Cardona Perlman. In Miss Rangel's class, Oliver Smith. Second grade. In Miss Gutierrez's class, Aaron Irizar. In Miss Johnson's class, Maite Moreno. In Miss Ramos's class, Saul Avila Pineda. In Miss Thornton's class, KAYDEN. Third grade. In Miss MAGPILE's class, EVYN CHAVEZ. In Miss Wantapia's class, Kenzie Cuellar. In Miss Cordova's class, Nak Dang. Fourth grade. In Miss Pyle's class, KAYDEN Romero. In Senor Cortez's class, Jane Vargas. In Miss Shook's class, Koi Ho. Fifth grade. In Miss Fellow's class, Amelia Tabony. In Senor Abascal's class, Dominic Herrera. In Miss Lisa's class, Austin Francis. R.S.P. In Mr. V's class, Nylia Kiros. For our Character Trait Award. For preschool, Miss Alvarez's morning class, Isabella Reynoso. For Miss Alvarez's afternoon class, Matthew Ferreira. For TK, Mrs. Seaver's class, Bianca Reynoso Ramirez. Kindergarten. For Miss Gonzalez's class, Aaron Pedrosa. For Miss Weber's class, Aiden Delgado. For Miss Hernandez's class, Tristan Espina. First grade. In Mrs. Wynn's class, Twit Wynn. In Miss Gonzalez Solis's class, Valerie Acevedo. In Miss Kim's class, Destiny Martin. In Miss Rangel's class, Anna Tapia. 2nd grade. In Miss Gutierrez's class, EROS, FLORES. In Miss Johnson's class, Juan Calderon. In Miss Ramos's class, Josue Plaseca. In Miss Thornton's class, Annabella Jimenez Simon. 3rd grade. In Miss MAGPILE's class, Sophia Chamberlain. In Miss Wantapia's class, Leonardo Policarpo. In Miss Cordova's class, Tyson McLucas. 4th grade. In Miss Pyle's class, Melanie Rosette. In Senor Cortez's class, Eric Hernandez. In Miss Shook's class, Eileen Ramirez. 5th grade. In Miss Fellow's class, Dexter Osterland. In Senor Abascal's class, Michaela Arellano Torres. In Miss Lisa's class, Brianna Nestor. R.S.P. In Mr. V's class, Liliana Favi. Congratulations to all of our winners. Thank you guys so much for joining us. And as always, go learn some stuff!